So we've got food expert Nikole here joining us. Thanks so much for being here. Hey Health Nuts, welcome back to today's vlog. Today is a busy work day in the HealthNut HQ, so I thought I would just take you guys along and share some behind the scenes of all the exciting stuff that happens in here. I have a recipe to shoot for Instagram, we have some other photos to shoot for the shop, and then we have an important team meeting. We're doing like a huge brainstorming session this afternoon, just talking about something exciting that's happening in December, so stay tuned for that. Maybe I'll tell you guys what it is later in this vlog. But first off, I just want to give Four Sigmatic a huge thank you for sponsoring and collaborating with me on today's video. They make basically superfood mushroom teas, which don't taste like mushrooms. There's anything from energizing to gut healing to calming to skin glowing, magical mushrooms, and they just are really cool just to have in a portable, convenient option just to add into like just hot water, or sometimes I'll add it into a smoothie, and it's just like a fun way to consume mushrooms. And they, like I said, they don't taste like mushrooms, which is nice. But what's really exciting is that they're having their annual Black Friday / Cyber sale happening this weekend till December 5th. You can get 20 to 50% off on your favorite Four Sigmatic products. I will have a discount code link down below. It will automatically get applied to your order on checkout, so you guys can check that out. And I'm actually going to be we're gonna have a little tea party this afternoon once our team gets here. So first things first, I'm gonna get into the kitchen. I got a strawberry galette to cook up, which I'm very excited about because it's a little bit of a snowy day right now, so I think it's gonna be a nice little treat this morning to have, because after we shoot it we get to eat it, so that's the best part. So I'm gonna head over to the kitchen. Let's make this galette, and I'm just gonna take you guys along for what happens on an average behind the scenes workday at the HealthNut HQ. Let's get started. Look who came by for a visit. Hi, Diana. Hi. Oh my God, you're so cute. You're so cute. This is the best part about living close to family. Hey? I hear Cashew crying downstairs. So galette's in the oven. Now we're gonna actually switch over gears to some photos. So we're just setting up for our Black Friday graphics that we're gonna be doing. This is just a letterboard I grabbed from the bathroom. So we're just gonna change out the lettering and just put Black Friday or Cyber Weekend sale, and then we just grabbed some lifestyle kitchen-y things that we have from the shop, and we're just gonna do a little cute display and take some photos so we can use on like social media and stuff to promote our sale. So this is our shot so far for the strawberry galette. I ended up adding some thyme to it. And what we're gonna do, so I have a little cloth here and I put some thyme around, but we're gonna take a photo as is, and then I have some ice cream that we're gonna scoop over top. But basically, once you put ice cream on something, you kind of just have to go for it. So I just wanna do a safety shot first before we add on the ice cream, just to make sure that's what we want. 'Cause that is what my heart says. That's what my heart says. I wanna be with you always. You are my world in every place. It's the things that you do, and it's the smile on your face. And as time goes by, I know I'm in a better place. I'm in a better place. Without your love, I am out of place. And without you. And that's a wrap. This is the best angle right now. Look, that's you. It's you. Hi, Cashew. That's you. All right, so team just got here. We have a very exciting meeting. I haven't actually told you guys yet, but we are doing, or I am doing, no, Matt and I and Cashew are doing Vlogmas in December. If you guys don't know what that is, basically it's when you vlog every day until Christmas. So we've been just like super excited to have this planning day. We're gonna be planning out like different ideas for the videos and stuff just so we can kind of tackle it, since it's a big kind of mission to take on when you're doing other projects and stuff. So we are gonna be planning out our days and kind of like different things that are gonna be coming up in December, like any parties we have coming up or just events, and just kind of listing them all out so we have an idea of what December's gonna look like. And I'm just so excited. Like, I love this time of year. I love Christmas and I love watching Vlogmas. I basically watch them every year and it's so cool when I get to participate in them. So we're actually gonna be doing it a little bit different. We're gonna be doing Monday to Friday so that we can kind of have the weekends off. So we're gonna be doing 5 vlogs a week all month of December until Christmas. Okay, so we got our team, got Kaylee, which you've been on the vlogs before. You've been in the cookbook launch party. Yeah. So we got Closter in the back. Matt, he's home today, helping us out. You excited for Vlogmas?
Yeah, ho ho ho.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, so we got our whiteboard in the back. We're gonna jot some ideas down. First though, we're gonna make some drinks. Since I got a bunch of new Four Sigmatic drinks, I thought we would just like all make ourselves like a cozy drink. And there's a bunch of different flavors, so I feel like there's something for everyone. Since you guys know I don't drink coffee, so I'm probably gonna have one of their coffee-free ones, like the chai latte. And then I got a matcha one that Chloe's probably gonna drink. Anyways, we're gonna go make our drinks so we can get all cozy and ready, and then we're gonna get some planning done for Vlogmas. So I have some water boiling in the background. These are the 4 flavors that I just got. I got the matcha latte, I got the chai, this one is a mocha one, and a cacao mix, so like a hot chocolate version. And they all have these medicinal superpower mushrooms, so they all have different benefits and stuff. And this one is with turkey tail and reishi. Turkey tail is really good for your gut, and they just taste really good. You can't taste the mushrooms. They're fun. They're just like a nice cozy drink to have. So whether you want caffeine, like this matcha one, or you just want something just to give you a good boost of energy without the caffeine, they have something for you. So I really like their blends, and sometimes I'll make like something fancy, like a latte blended up in my blender. But today I'm just gonna mix it with hot water and just have it as a little energizing afternoon drink. So just got back in from taking Miss Cashew out for a little walk. It also was just nice to get some fresh air at the end of the day, especially when I'm like working from home all day. As much as it's really nice, I still need to get out and like just get some fresh air and nature in my body. So that was really nice to end the day with. And yeah, Matt just went Matt went right now to go get some food for us. We're checking out this new Portuguese place in town. So we're gonna have some Portuguese chicken for dinner, which is always lovely. And then yeah, that's gonna be it, guys. So a huge thank you to Four Sigmatic again for sponsoring this video. I will have a link down below for you guys to shop their Black Friday weekend sales. And yeah, definitely get the golden milk latte. That's my favorite one. It's so good. And then question of the day today, what is something that you're looking for this weekend for a good deal? Ours, I think, is Matt's definitely looking for a new TV. He wants to get a new TV up here and then move this one downstairs. And then I don't know what I'm looking for. Like maybe I really want like a white casserole pot dish and a milk frother. I don't know if that's like exciting, but those are two things that I would like to find good deals on for this weekend. But I definitely take advantage of Black Friday shopping every year because it's such a good time to like get those deals, save the money before like all your holiday shopping. So I've been trying to buy like a lot of my Christmas gifts early this year. And I mean, we do Secret Santa now with my family, so it's like I don't have to buy as many gifts, which is nice. But I still like to just kind of find good deals. So that way I can like get them something bigger and I'm not spending more kind of thing. So anyways, make sure you're subscribed. New vlogs here every single Friday. And thank you so much for watching, guys.